Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, which is Live with Smita, and my channel's URL is https www.youtube.com/@livewithsmita.
Alright, so the channel is Live with Smita.
Fashion, DIY, food recipes and funny videos.
ट्रैवल व्लॉगिंग डालते हैं और कभी कभी हम लाइव भी करते हैं अगर हम कहीं बाहर जा रहे हैं, ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं. तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट हाउ एग्जैक्टली वी आर मेकिंग दीज वीडियोज एंड हाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग अवर कंटेंट. First we choose a topic, that any entertaining topic. Sometimes it is dance, sometimes it is a fun challenge, sometimes it is a couple challenge, sometimes cooking videos. So what we do that after creating a concept, then after that we start taking short clips of the whole video, and then we use an application called CapCut. That this is a video editing software in which we upload the different clips, and then we do trim the section. We can add the voiceover, and we can also yes, we can add audio clips. We can add external audios also. I'm adding the clips, small clips, and then I'm adding a music here. You can see the music here. There are different tools of doing the editing. You can add the text, you can add stickers, you can do overlay. Here there are some preloaded songs here which you can choose as a background music, and you can also add from your mobile. There is an option to add from the device also, so you can add songs from your device also. Video shooting gears which we are using, like she is using here a microphone, Rode microphone, and one microphone is one is transmitter and one is receiver, on which we use these microphones while we are shooting our videos. As well as we are having different tools here, like we are having a tripod. This tripod we are using our iPhone for the shooting, as well as we are using our DSLR also. Sometimes we are doing shooting with our DSLR. We are having two lenses here, one for portrait and one is telephoto lens we have, and we are having one small tripod also, that when we are doing a setting video on a table, then sometimes we use this small tripod also. Once the video is ready, then we transfer this video to our laptop, from where we upload these videos on our channel, which is Live with Smita here studio, where we go and upload our video, which we shopping haul video. We can see the title, how to save money while shopping. Then after that we added some descriptions here with the hashtags, and then there is a thumbnail section. So we are using snappa.com to make our thumbnails. You can see that there are several thumbnails here. We have used all these thumbnails while we are uploading our videos. We upload these thumbnails here on our video, and then we categorize them, that in which playlist it will go. We have created a very long playlist here. You can see that. Are adding tags here, and the location and the date on which the video is created. Then in the category, we are choosing the category, if it is entertaining, comedy, or whatever category it falls in. End screen also, we do put the end screen. Like you can see here, we are having this end screen, one video here, one video here. So using cards. Many times we are using cards, sometimes we are not using cards. Here you can see that we have used 3 cards here. Then after uploading the video, we also see that if there is any restriction here or not. Do some editing, and then we always try to make a video which does not have any restrictions. And in each video you can see the content creator, which is Live with Smita. You can mostly in all the videos, 99% videos, Smita is there in the video. So this is not a reused content.
Our content is 100% original. We have not used anybody's content. I made my content by myself.
So we request you to please remove this restriction of demonetization.